Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to play Pokemon Sleep game. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So here in Pokemon Sleep you can monitor your sleep and track it with Pokemon Sleep application. So try to get your sleeping schedule back on track with this hectic lifestyle of yours and maybe some other late nighters or just sleeping late. So you can use this game to just calm you down and participate in this sleep related game. So the first and easiest thing you need to do is place your smartphone near your pillow before going to bed, and the Pokemon Sleep app will record the analysis of your sleep cycle. So to do that, all you have to do is just press this button, start tracking sleep, and then from there you will see this type of interface. It's gonna track your sleep. So it's gonna see to charge your device if it's already low in power. It's gonna track your sleep, so just put your device on your mattress and then turn off your screen. It will just leave the screen to lower and darken to save power. So don't place your device under your pillow, it may overheat too. So from here, you can set your alarm. So you can also do a smart alarm sound, and snooze. So basically the 10 things you should do here is basically there's gonna be 3 types of categories: dozing, snoozing, or slumbering. In the morning, you'll fight Pokemon with similar sleep styles gathering around Snorlax. So additionally, there's a chance you might come across a Pokemon sleeping in a rare style where that's pretty seldom. So those are the things you should do. So you should just get the best sleep and keep quiet and don't try to move as much as possible. So there you go guys, those are just things you should do. And keep in mind that during the daytime, have the opportunity to engage with the Snorlax and other Pokemon by offering them berries. You can cook them some delicious food and strengthen your bond through interactions. So it's in the night, when the real magic happens, your sleep score from the previous night is multiplied by Snorlax's strength, resulting in what is known as the drowsy power. So this determines Snorlax's capabilities during the nighttime. So there you go guys, those are the things you should know with Pokemon Sleep. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.